A very good morning to all of you. Dear learners, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss grammar portion and its auxiliary. So what is auxiliary? First of all, we should pronounce it very well. It's auxiliary. What is auxiliary? So it's very important part of the sentence. We often use these words, but many times we remain confused where we should put it, how we are using it, and actually what are the auxiliary verbs are basically. So I'm giving you a little definition about auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs usually accompany a main verb. Auxiliary verbs usually accompany a main verb. In other words, we can say auxiliary verbs supports the main verb. Auxiliary verbs supports the main verb. So, what are the auxiliary verbs? So, auxiliary verbs are be, is, am, are, being, been, do, does, did, was, were, having, and may, might, shall, should, will, would, could, might, must, ought to, etc. In English, there are two types of auxiliary verbs. The first one is primary auxiliary verbs, and second one is modal auxiliary verbs. So we are going to discuss first. First is primary auxiliary verb. So primary auxiliary verbs are be, have, and do. And second one is modal auxiliary verb. So modal auxiliary verbs are shall, should, will, would, may, might, could, must, ought to, etc. So dear learners, I am giving you some examples about auxiliary verbs. The first example is I have finished my lunch. So I have finished my lunch. What is subject? Subject is I. And what is supporting verb? We used I have. Have is auxiliary. And finished, finish is verb. I have finished my lunch. Lunch is ऑब्जेक्ट. मैंने अपना लंच ख़त्म किया, कर चुका हूँ. आई हैव फिनिश माई लंच. मैं अपना दोपहर का लंच, दोपहर का खाना फिनिश कर चुका हूँ. तो मैं क्या हूँ? मैं हूँ सब्जेक्ट. और उसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है? ऑक्सिलरी क्या है? ऑक्सिलरी हैव है. और मैंने क्या किया है? फिनिश किया है. सो फिनिश इज वर्ब. तो क्या फिनिश किया है? व्हाट एक्शन आई हैव डन? सो लंच को फिनिश किया है. सो आई हैव फिनिश माई लंच. सो आई इज सब्जेक्ट, हैव इज ऑक्सिलरी, एंड फिनिश्ड is verb, and lunch is object. So I am giving you one more example. He had gone to school. वह स्कूल जा चुका था. He had gone to school. वह means he is subject, and now had is again auxiliary. He had gone is verb. कहाँ गया वो? To school. So school is object. I'm giving one more example. Like she is singing well. She is singing well. So who is doing the task? She. So she is subject. And after that is auxiliary. And what she is doing? She is singing. So singing part is verb. And how she is singing? She is singing well. So first is she is subject, is auxiliary, and singing is verb, and last one is object. Well is object. So these were the little definition. Sorry, these were the some examples of auxiliary, and I think now you are very much clear about the auxiliary, how we should use them, how we should identify them, and the proper utilization of the sentences, because it's very important part of a sentence. So we should identify them, we should proper use them to make a suitable sentence. So hope now your confusion is over, and I can hope that you have understood it very well. So we'll see you in next session. So we'll catch you up very soon. Thanks.